Welcome to our video guide on how to make money online. In today's digital age, earning an income from the comfort of your own home has never been easier. So, let's dive right in and uncover the secrets to your online success. First things first, you need to identify your skills and interests. What are you passionate about? Whether it's writing, graphic design, or social media management, there's a lucrative opportunity waiting for you. Once you've determined your niche, it's time to create an online presence. Build a professional website or utilize popular platforms like freelancing websites and social media. Establishing your brand is key to attracting clients and customers. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Another popular option is e-commerce. Set up an online store and sell products that align with your interests. Whether it's handmade crafts or digital downloads, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's not forget about online surveys and paid online tasks. Companies are willing to pay for your opinion or small online tasks, so take advantage of these opportunities to make some quick cash. Lastly, consider creating and selling online courses or ebooks. Share your knowledge and expertise with others who are eager to learn. People are always willing to invest in self-improvement, so why not make money from it? Remember, success won't happen overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and a bit of trial and error. But with the right mindset and these proven strategies, you'll be well on your way to earning money online. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found our guide helpful. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights. Stay motivated and keep striving for online success.